Me, I'm learning English. Oops, did you make this mistake? Do you ever get confused with English pronouns? Do you know when to say I and when to say me? Or how about he versus him? Today we're going to break it all down from the very basics to tricky details so you'll never make these mistakes again. Ready to master pronouns? First, let's talk about subject pronouns. These pronouns show who is doing the action in the sentence. I'm talking about myself. For example, I'm reading a book. You, when I talk to someone directly. For example, you are my friend. He, for a male person. For example, he plays football. She, for a female person. For example, she is smart. It, for things, animals, or when we don't know the gender. For example, it is running. We, when talking about yourself and others together. For example, we are learning English. They, when talking about more than one person. For example, they are playing outside. Let's see if you got it. Pay close attention and choose the right answer. Which one is correct? Choose the correct sentence. The correct answer is, I am happy. Next, we have object pronouns. These show who or what is receiving the action in the sentence. Me, the action is happening to me. For example, she helps me. You, the action is happening to you. For example, I called you. Him, for a male person. For example, I gave him a book. Her, for a female person. For example, she teaches her. It, for things or animals. For example, I found it. Us, when talking about yourself and others. For example, she told us a story. Them, when talking about a group of people or things. For example, we saw them at the park. Let's see if you got it. Pay close attention and choose the right answer. Fill in the blank. Choose the correct sentence. Me, correct answer, she gave me a gift. Now let's talk about possessive pronouns. These pronouns show who owns something. My, showing ownership. For example, this is my book. You're showing ownership to someone else. For example, is this your pen? His, ownership for a male. For example, that is his car. Her, ownership for a female. For example, that is her phone. its ownership for animals or things. For example, the cat eats its food. Our ownership by a group. For example, our house is big. Their ownership by others. For example, their car is blue. Let's see if you got it. Pay close attention and choose the right answer. Which one is correct? Choose the correct sentence. Correct answer, this is my car. Finally, let's look at demonstrative pronouns. These show which thing or things we are talking about. This used for something near to you. For example, this is a pencil. That used for something far away. For example, that is my bag. These for things that are near and in plural form. For example, these are my shoes. Those for things that are far away in plural. For example, those are their books. Now you know about subject, object, possessive, and demonstrative pronouns. Great job! Let's test what you've learned. Which one is correct? Choose the correct sentence and comment below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more English lessons. See you next time.